This is Parker Allen, and I am here for F6. We are going to be cooking something. I'm Parker Allen from F6, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to cook lemon pepper herring fillets. Here we go. First, start with a pan about this big. Okay, put it on the warming zone. Okay, and then should I be using canola oil or vegetable oil? This is the question of the day. Well, I have more experience in canola oil because you guys won't talk. So, see, take off the lid to the sink. Spray the area. And then once you are done with that, turn the altar heat on to about a low 6, okay? Let it heat for about 2 to 4 minutes, depending on however you like. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes now, and now it is time to open the smoked boneless herring fillets. Okay? Now, as you see here, there's a lot of juice, and you are definitely going to want to drain that out, because that stuff is absolutely nasty. Okay. Still a little bit left, but it's not going to affect anything. And once you're done with that, you're going to want to take your knife, pry in there, get all that stuff out. Okay. Okay. Kind of put it on there. You can keep the skin on, or you can take it off if you want to. Now, put it into as many cubes as you'd like. It does not matter. This can't be the entire thing, or it won't cook thoroughly. We can just do this like so. Dump all of that in there. And spread it around. Just they each get their own little space to cook. Now after you do that, leave it for about 2 minutes and check in on it. If it's still not thoroughly cooked, or if you think it's still not thoroughly cooked, I don't really know how you want to check it. You can do it however you want. It won't affect how it cooks. But yeah, just check on it in about 2 minutes. And yeah, and then just, if it's not thoroughly cooked from there, then you can just keep going until about 5 more minutes. Can't be over 5 minutes. So it's been about 2 minutes. I took the fork, and now I'm going to actually try this. Make sure it's not too hot. It's not thoroughly cooked, but it tastes great. We're going to keep it in for another 30 seconds. Now make sure to stir them around occasionally. You don't want them to sit in the same place. Now once you start to smell that kind of bacony smell, it's probably about ready. So we're actually gonna turn this off here. Okay. I'm gonna move this over here. We're gonna try just a little bit. Make sure that it's not just Not too hot, just right. Tastes absolutely fantastic. Now it is time for the lemon pepper seasoning. Here we have the lemon pepper seasoning, McCormick brand. It's actually high quality. I have great experience with using this. It gives great taste. So make sure you flip it on all the way. Don't want to get any trapped in there at all. And then you sprinkle just a little bit on each piece. Don't cover the entire surface, but make sure about 25% of every little piece is covered in that seasoning. Just like that. Okay, now once you're done with that, just mix it around a little bit. And then you can serve it however you like. Eat it straight from the pan. Put it on a plate. Like so. Now, if you're going to eat this with a side, I recommend Canola soft nougat with almonds. Okay, now I'm going to keep the wrap around because I don't want them to actually get mixed together. They should be completely separated. But I definitely recommend this because the aftertaste of this actually provides great extra flavor with the Canola soft nougat. Okay, now grab your fork. And have yourself an amazing meal. Lemon pepper herring fillets. You guys should try this at home. However you would like. You can have slight variations of if you use canola oil, if you use vegetable oil, how long you have it on the algae heat, or how long you actually will. Here, let's just have a demonstration. How long you actually proceed to mix it around instead of leaving it completely still, because that is actually a great flavor changer. Okay. But yeah, let us know down in the comments how this tasted. Thank you guys for watching our video, and I'll see you guys next time.
This young man here, Sullivan Jameson, he hates fish. He's going to try Parker's Filet that he just made. The lemon pepper, what is it, herring, you say?
Yes.
Yes. Let's see if he enjoys it. Take a full bite, Sullivan. Take a full bite.
Take a full bite. He's always with me. Kiss my courage.
I know you'll like it, Sullivan. I know you will.
You have to take a full bite. Take another one if you like it so much.